Hi, I'm Chris Pryor and I'm the course manager here at Buchanan Castle Golf Club.
I'm James McDonald, I'm the head greenkeeper at Buchanan Castle Golf Club. The golf club opened in 1936, closed for the World War II and then reopened after a reconstruction, just after the war.
We actually went to see a course not too far from here. They had one just to see how it performed and stuff, and as soon as we seen it perform at their golf club, then we kind of knew straight away. We had it in demo for a week as well. In some of the longer areas we have a 6-hole par 3 course here as well. The rough can get a bit long, so we tried it there in demo and it was absolutely great down there, so we knew it would be absolutely ideal for here.
We're at 40 mil currently, which is pretty short, but it's a good finish. The members are a wee bit older, they want to see 3/4 of the ball in the rough.
The main benefit with the Wessex machine is the finish it gives here at Buchanan Castle. We're pretty flat golf course, there's maybe 1 or 2 holes we thought we'd maybe have problems, but it's been absolutely fine.
It doesn't even scalp, which is great.
No scalping anywhere. Even on the undulations where we thought we might have problems, it's been absolutely fine.
We are mowing probably Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and then a Friday. 9-10
hours a day, yeah. Just everything about it, like, as I say earlier, the finish is absolutely great, and for the price, it's a no-brainer for us. Definitely, I would definitely recommend it to anyone that's looking in the market for a new rough deck. I would certainly go look down the Wessex route.
Definitely.